According to a recent podcast by Krista, featuring a guest who worked on Nintendo's marketing and sales team, we got some insider insights. They debunked some rumors and provided their thoughts on what Nintendo might be planning based on their experience with the Wii U and Switch eras. Third-party insights. During a recent podcast of the Nintendo Byte show, Thunderstash Gaming revealed some interesting information from Bank, a company that makes monitors and gaming accessories. Bank mentioned that the Switch 2 will support HDMI 2.1. While we haven't had official confirmation, this is an exciting update. Possible release date. Bank also hinted that the Nintendo Switch 2 might launch as early as April. While this seems unlikely, if it does happen, we can credit this leak. However, let's keep our expectations in check and look at more credible sources. Former Nintendo employee Insights. Sean, a former Nintendo employee, shared some valuable information on the Kit and Krista podcast. He clarified that retailers usually don't have early insider information on launch dates or prices. According to Sean, Nintendo aims to release the Switch 2 before the end of summer, potentially at the start of summer to align with school vacation periods. Additional insights and speculations. Furthermore, let's discuss some additional insights and speculations about the Nintendo Switch 2. The new device is expected to boast a more powerful chipset, possibly the Snapdragon 8 Elite or Exynos 2500, offering unmatched speed and efficiency. With up to 16 GB of RAM, the Switch 2 will ensure fluid multitasking, lag-free gaming, and seamless AI-driven features. Enhanced camera and display. The Nintendo Switch 2 is also rumored to have a 200-megapixel primary camera which, combined with ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, will elevate mobile photography to new heights. The foldable display will have an aspect ratio similar to the Z Fold Special Edition, featuring larger screens with nearly no visible seam. Expect a more immersive viewing experience with its 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Durability and design improvements. In terms of durability, the Switch 2 is likely to have improved dust and water resistance and a more resilient hinge design, ensuring a longer-lasting and better folding experience. The device's ergonomic improvements will make it lighter and more comfortable to hold, addressing previous user feedback. Battery and charging enhancements. Battery life will remain a key focus, with a 4,400 mAh battery optimized for extended usage. Support for 25W wired and 15W wireless charging means you can quickly power up your device. Samsung's battery efficiency enhancements will provide prolonged screen time, even with power-intensive programs. AI-driven features and user experience. One UI 7 introduces AI-driven capabilities like automatic call transcription, content summarization, and grammar enhancement tools. These features will improve communication and productivity, making daily tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Smooth transitions between folded and unfolded modes will enhance the overall user experience.